Hello students, so today in this video we are going to do general knowledge for class 3. So from this book which you have got, okay, the general knowledge is from Srishti publication for class 3. So today we will start from the first chapter, and in the first chapter we have our green friends. It's about our green friends, okay. So in that we have match the clue to the plants, okay. So I'll read the questions, the answers I have already written here. So I'll read the question and I'll tell the answers, okay. A plant that grows in hot dry place, that is desert, and has a lot of sparkles, that is cactus. Number one answer is cactus. Number two, a plant that is used in medicine or to enhance the taste of different foods, that is herbs. Number three, a plant that grows along the ground or other surface. Pumpkin and bottle ground are example of this plant. So the answer for that is creepers. Number four, a tall plant with thin sharp leaves called needles that too do not fall off in winters. The answer is pine. Okay. Number five, a flowerless plant with beautiful green leaves. We use them as house plant. So that is fern. Number six, a plant with brightly colored flower of unusual shape. It mostly grows in the wild and are rare. That is orchid. Okay. Number seven, a plant that grows in water with large round floating leaves and large curved shaped flower. That is water lily. And the last one from the first chapter is, it is actually a very tall grass with hollow woody stems. It is one of the most useful plant known to people, that is bamboo. Okay, that is bamboo. So these are the answer for chapter 1, our green friends. Now let's move on to next chapter, that is plants and flowers. Plants and flowers. So I'm going to read the questions with the answers. Okay, it is saying find out how much you know about the plants and flowers. Tick the correct answer. You have to tick the correct answers from here. So number one, which flower could you see with goddess Saraswati? The options are rose, lotus and lily. With the goddess Saraswati we see the lotus flower. Number two, the leaves of these plants are used to paint our palm red. Okay, the options are henna, neem and tulsi. To make our palm red we use the mehndi, that is made of henna, the henna leaf. Okay, people sometimes use the leaves of these plants to eat out from. Okay, they use that leaf for eating form. So the options are coconut, mango and banana. That is banana. In the banana leaf we eat. You have seen in the South India they used to use the banana leaf for eating. The seeds of this flower are used to make coconut oil. Cooking oil. For making cooking oil, the options are sunflower, rose and dahlia. So the seeds of this is used for making cooking oil is sunflower. Number five, the wood of this tree is used to make cricket bat. Teak, banyan and willow. Okay, so willow wood is used for making cricket bat. Okay, this tree is decorated with gifts and light during Christmas. Neem, pine and coconut. Which tree is decorated with during Christmas with lights and all gifts? It is pine. Okay. Number seven, it is the tallest grass. Can rise or bamboo? The tallest grass is bamboo. Okay. Number 8, you will find this plant in the desert. It does not have leaves. So the answer here, it is given fern, cactus and mushroom. The answer is cactus. It is the biggest flower of all. It is the biggest flower of all. So the answer here, it is given sunflower, dahlia and ruffles. So the answer is this one, refers. Okay. Number 10, this flower was a favorite of Jawaharlal Nehru, our Prime Minister, the previous. It was his favorite flower. So we have lotus, rose and lily. His favorite flower was rose. So with this I have completed second one, that is plant and flower, and the answer for second is this one. Now the number 3 chapter we have different classes of animals. It is saying different classes of animals. So scientists have divided animals into 6 main classes. Name them. The 6 main classes. Animals has been divided into 6 main classes. So we have to name them. Okay. The words are given. You have to name it. Okay. So they are a class of animals that give birth to their young ones and feed them with their own milk. Okay. This class of animals give birth to the young ones and feed them with their own milk. That are mammals. They are mammals. Okay. Number 1 answer is mammals. Number 2, they area class of animals having a moist and smooth skin. They live both in land and in water. So they are amphibians. Number 3, they are 6-legged creature. Most of them have wings and antennae. Their body changes during their life cycle. They live on plants, animals and decaying matters. So the answer for number 3 is insects. Number 4, they are a class of animals having a dry scaly skin. They are cold-blooded and have lungs to breathe. They become inactive in winter. So they are, the answer for 4 is reptiles. They are reptiles. Number 5, they are a class of animals having 2 legs. Most of them can fly. They have a big wings and feet of different shapes. So answer for 5 is birds. Number 6, they are a class of animals that spend their entire life in water. They breathe underwater through the gills. They have a scaly body. So the answer for number 6 is fish. So this is how I have completed this. With this I have completed the different classes of animals. So these are the answer for chapter 1, chapter 2 and chapter 3 of general knowledge of class 3. So I have completed till 3 chapters. So remaining other chapters we will do in the next class. Thank you very much.